A more Newlywed game on Bobtober is on the way with me, Bob Eubanks. Stay tuned. From Hollywood, it is Maternity Day on the Newlywed game. And here are today is Newlyweds. This couple got happily hitched 3 months ago, Heidi and William Ortega. Our next couple recited their vows 20 months ago, Lisa and Frank Lima. This couple traded rings 11 months ago, Nikki and Eric Dragasette. And our final couple celebrated their union 15 months ago, Felice and Leroy Valentine. And now, here is the star of the Newlywed game, Bob Eubanks. Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Newlywed game. I am nice of you to join us. Hey, it is that day they are all expecting. And so, moms and dads-to-be, if you are ready to play this game, we are going to send our ladies off to the soundproof booth. Stand up carefully and move rapidly. Now, remember, gentlemen, around one, I will be asking you some 5-point questions. You will be answering these questions as you predict your wife will answer the same question when she returns. If her answer matches your prediction, you then get 5 points. And remember, each correct prediction brings you that much closer to that fabulous second honeymoon. So, the ladies are gone, and these are the dads-to-be. Here we go. First question. Gentlemen, since becoming pregnant, will your wife say her body has developed more nooks and crannies, peaks and valleys, or twists and turns? Leroy. Bob, I would say twists and turns. Her body has developed more twists and turns? Yes, because she is always grouchy. Oh, is she really? Yeah, always grouchy. Yeah. How many kids do you plan to have? 4. 4. Yeah, that is it, 4. She is going to be grouchy a long time, man. Frank. I would say peaks and valleys, Bob. Bobby. Just because starting to. Yeah, peaks and valleys. Starting to. Okay, William. Warren. Nooks and crannies, peaks and valleys, or twists and turns? I am going to say twists and turns, Bob. Twists and turns. Oh, yeah. If she turns on me, you do not understand. Oh, boy. I understand. I understand. Eric. Definitely say peaks and valleys, Bob. Peaks and valleys. Yeah, she is blossoming at middle age. Yeah. Her hair turned red, too, did it not? Yeah, purple. Yeah. Next question, gentlemen. Will your wife say you would rather have a little baby Gouda or a little baby gherkin? Frank. What would you rather have? I would have a little baby Gouda. You would rather have a little Gouda? Yeah. Oh, be darned. I have never heard that before. William. Gouda. Gouda, Bob. You would rather have a little baby Gouda, too? I think so. Eric, what do you think about this? Definitely Gouda. She loves cheese. Oh, you want a little Gouda. Okay. Leroy. We have to say Gouda, too. You want Gouda, too? Yeah. 4 Goudas. No gherkins. Wow. Gentlemen, think about this now. If your most annoying personal habit, were actually a secret turn-on for your wife, what will she say she would be begging you to do all the time? In other words, what is your most annoying personal habit, William? Dancing. Dancing after I come out of the shower, Bob. Strip a little bit, take out my towel. You dance after you come out of the shower? Yeah. I am sorry. I do. Oh, no, you do not have to apologize. You do not have to apologize to me. It is your wife. I want you to apologize. She loves it. She loves it. Eric. I would have to say I would have to hang stuff all over the house because that would be annoying. She would beg you to hang stuff all over the house. Yeah. She would love that. You just hang stuff everywhere. Just clothes and whatever I can find. Just be annoying. That is annoying as hell. Leroy. I would say play the stereo real loud as you are watching television. You play the stereo real loud while she is watching television? Right, yeah. Frank. It would be to fart silent but deadly. The scary part is he is going to have a baby. We will be right back to reunite these newlyweds. We will see how well our husbands have predicted what their wives will say right after these messages. They are talking about talk about weekdays at 8 right here on Buzzer. Let's talk. Don Knotts or Donald Duck. And welcome back to the Newlywed Game. Now, gentlemen, we have recorded your predictions on cards, you now have them in front of you. Every time your prediction matches your wife's answer, you get 5 points. One couple with the most points at the end of the show wins a great second honeymoon. After the baby is born, anyway. In case you have not noticed, all of the ladies are expecting today. Of course, the dads are, too. I think that is really great. So, if you are ready, ladies, here is your first question. Ladies, since becoming pregnant, would you say your body has developed more twists and turns, nooks and crannies, or peaks and valleys? Nikki, I like your hair. Thank you. Have you been sleeping with the Easter Bunny? Do not tell my husband. Hello, Mr. Bunny, how are you? How has your body developed more twists and turns, nooks and crannies, or peaks and valleys, Nikki? I would say peaks and valleys. Peaks and valleys. Lots of peaks, lots of valleys. He has been doing a lot of peaking, okay. Yeah. He said the top card, peaks and valleys. You got it, too. All right. Heidi. Definitely peaks and valleys. For sure, peaks and valleys. Yeah. That is a good thing. That is a good thing. That is a good thing, yeah. He said your body. No, he said twists and turns on your body. You always turn on me. What are you talking about? You are always mad. That is true. Lisa. Definitely peaks and valleys. Peaks and valleys. He said your body has developed a whole bunch of peaks and valleys. Yeah. Hey, Felice, what do you think? I would have to say peaks and valleys. Peaks and valleys? Yes. He said your body has developed a whole bunch of twists and turns. Twists and turns? You are always grouchy. You are always grouchy. You know that. You know that. Well, remember that next time. Okay. Next question, ladies. Would your husband say he would rather have a little baby Gouda or a little baby gherkin? What do you think he would rather have, Heidi? A little baby Gouda or a little baby gherkin? Gouda. Gouda. He said he would love to have a little baby Gouda. She is all. Yeah. She does not know what a gherkin is, Bob. Pardon me? She does not know what a gherkin is, Bob. She does not. No. Well, you do not want to have a gherkin if you do not know what it is. Lisa. A baby gherkin. You would like to have a little gherkin. Yes. Why is that? He has a friend in the last name Gherkin. Oh. That is. I do not know what a gherkin is. That is the only gherkin I know. A gherkin is his friend. Yeah. Frank said you would like to have a little baby Gouda. That is what he wanted to have. Gouda. Yeah. Felice, this is a tough question, I know. Now, you do not have any points at this point, but this is your chance to get some points. Okay. Since gherkin sounds like girl, I would have to say gherkin. You want to have a little baby gherkin. Yeah. Felice. You still do not have any points. What? Yeah. What did he say? He said he wants to have a little Gouda. What is a Gouda? I do not know, but whatever it is, he wants one. He said he has never heard of a Gouda that was crabby. Nikki. I would say a little baby Gouda. You want a Gouda? Only because he likes Gouda cheese. All right. Eric said he would like to have a little baby Gouda. Yeah. All right. Last of our 5-point questions. Ladies, think about this now. If your husband's most annoying personal habit were actually a secret turn-on for you, what would you be begging him to do all the time? What would you be begging him to do at least all the time? He constantly farts. No. Constantly. Incessantly. What is the baby going to say? It is disgusting. He does it all the time, and he enjoys it. Frank said that it is a fact that he passes gas. You got it. All right. Hey, Felice, his most annoying little boy habit, if it were secretly a turn-on, what would you be begging him to do? I would have to say to rub his feet. He rubs his feet. He rubs his corns, and... Well, no wonder you are crabby all the time. That guy is sitting around rubbing his corns. You are bored, are you not, Leroy? All right. He says that his most annoying little boy habit is to rub his feet. His most annoying habit is that he plays the stereo too loud while you are watching television. That is true. Can I hit him now? Yeah, go ahead. Nikki. Okay, I would say. His most annoying personal habit. Personally, I think that when he blows his nose at the table, the dinner table. Oh, no. I think it is very rude, and I think he should get up and go to the bathroom. Well, I think he should get up and leave the house. What is that thing on your lip? Spit catcher. Oh, a spit catcher. God, why do I ask this question? That is another annoying habit. Yeah, he said it is the way he hangs stuff all over the house. Oh, that is right. Heidi, what do you think? He burps. He burps all the time, no matter what he drinks. After Frank's answer, that is acceptable. We will take a burp. He says his most annoying habit, after the shower, he naked dances. You call me a pervert. I like that. She calls you what? She calls you a pervert, because I start, like. That is not an annoying personal habit. I get the towel in between my legs, and, I just do it. I guess I am the only perfect one. You are not even included anymore. We will be back with the wives and see how well they can predict what their husband will say right after these messages. Welcome back to the Newlywed Game. It is maternity day on our show. The ladies are all expecting, so we have to hurry right through this show. Now, ladies, your husbands are all secluded off stage. It is your turn to predict what they will say, and remember, each of these questions will now be worth 10 points. So, here is the first one. Ladies, what will your husband say is more likely to give you a chuckle? The thought of him skydiving naked, or the thought of him leaf-blowing naked? Which would give you a bigger chuckle here, Lise? Leaf-blowing naked. The thought of him leaf-blowing naked would do it, huh? Right. He does a lot of yard work. Oh, he does. Just the thought of him naked would make you chuckle right now, would it not? Heidi. Leaf-blowing. The thought of him leaf-blowing naked. Well, he could not skydive. He is scared of heights. So, leaf-blowing. Well, we are just pretending. I mean, Nikki. I would say leaf-blowing also. Really? The thought of him leaf-blowing. Because I like to see him out there sweating leaf-blowing. Felice. I would have to say leaf-blowing